We use a base 10 numbering system to write, compare, and compute with numbers. In this video, we will explore how place value allows you to compare and order whole numbers. Let's start with an example. There are 128 apples in a crate and 108 oranges in another crate. Use place value to determine which crate has more fruit in it. The arrangement of the digits in a number determines their place value. The digits are arranged this way. The number in the ones place goes here. The number in the tens place goes here. The number in the hundreds place goes here, and so on. We are told that there are 128 apples. As you can see, 1 is in the hundreds place, 2 is in the tens place, and 8 is in the ones place. We are also told that there are 108 oranges, so we place the digits here. The 1 is in the hundreds place, the 0 is in the tens place, and the 8 is in the ones place. To determine which number is greater, compare the place values of the digits. Start at the hundreds place. You'll see that there are ones in the hundreds place. Since these are equal, we can't yet determine which number is greater. Next, we compare the digits in the tens place. Here we see that the 2 in the tens place is greater than the 0 because 20 is greater than 0. Because of this, we can conclude that 128 is greater than 108. So there are more apples than oranges. Let's look at another example. On the first night of a concert, there were 12,347 people attending. On the second night, there were 12,456. Which night had more attendees? In this example, we are comparing numbers to the 10,000s place. Using the digit placeholder from before, you can see that we have added the 10,000s place here. Inputting the data for day 1, we get this. For 12,347, the 1 is in the 10,000s place, the 2 is in the thousands place, the 3 is in the hundreds place, the 4 is in the tens place, and the 7 is in the ones place. Now we show the data for day 2 of the concert. For 12,456, the 1 is in the 10,000s place, the 2 is in the thousands place, the 4 is in the hundreds place, the 5 is in the tens place, and the 6 is in the ones place. Compare the digits starting at the 10,000s place. The two ones are equal, so move on to the thousands place. The two twos are equal, so move on to the hundreds place. Here, the 4 in the hundreds place is greater than the 3 in the hundreds place because 400 is greater than 300. So this means that the attendees on day 2 were greater than the attendees on day 1. Let's look at a final example. The weight of this brontosaurus is 48,998 pounds. The weight of this elephant is 12,395 pounds. Which is greater, the weight of 4 of these elephants or the weight of the brontosaurus? Let's start by first calculating the weight of the 4 elephants. We multiply 12,395 by 4. Start at the ones place. 4 times 5 is 20. Place the 0 in the ones place and carry the 2. 4 times 9 is 36. Plus 2 is 38. Place the 8 in the tens place and carry the 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 3 is 15. Place the 5 in the hundreds place and carry the 1. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. Place the 9 in the thousands place, and there is no carryover. 4 times 1 is 4. Place the 4 in the 10,000s place. So the product is 49,580. Now we can compare the two quantities as shown here. The digits in the 10,000s place are equal, but here in the thousands place, we see that 9,000 is greater than 8,000, so 49,580 is greater than 48,998. This means that the weight of 4 elephants is greater than the weight of 1 brontosaurus.